One particular scene from the movie, people are comparing it to Ramayana. So, did you see any references over there?
Uh, I I don't think so. I mean,
Oh my god, I kept screaming to him. I was like, the Ramayana reference in this economy is just crazy.
Yeah, if you compare all the great stories, they have a bit of resemblance, I would say. So definitely towards the end, that is the scene that is there where it's like Sita Swayamvar.
I think I could rate this as one of the top 5 movies I've seen.
Hello everyone, welcome to FPG Showbiz. I am Priyam Tripathi and today we are here for the Vox Pop of the Odyssey. Well, the buzz around the movie is very high and the tickets are also very high. So let's go and talk to people and ask them whether the movie was worth the price or not. So let's go.
Well, I did see the trailer yesterday, but nothing could have prepared me for the magnificence of this movie. I think I could rate this as one of the top 5 movies I've seen.
How was the movie? Did you
it was
enjoy
great.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
What did
Obviously.
you like the most about the movie? Hindi में भी बोल सकते हो।
हाँ मैम तो जब लास्ट टाइम उसकी ओपन ओवर मूवी देख रहा था ना तो जस्ट उसके बाद ऐसा रिलीज़ हुआ था कि ये लोग अभी नेक्स्ट ओडे सीन का प्लान रहेगा तब से वेट कर रहे थे तो एज सुन एज जब चांस मिला तो फर्स्ट आगे देखने के लिए बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट मूवी था मतलब म्यूज़िक फील हो रहा था सॉरी जो हवा फील हो रही थी आग फील हो रही थी सब मतलब लुडिक गोरेंसन का बेस्ट वर्क है मतलब एज ऑलवेज और नोलन ने भी जैसे उसकी सब फेमिलियर है उसकी नॉन लिनियर स्टोरी लाइन से तो वो भी इसमें देखा गया था और जो जो सीक्वेंस जहाँ पे रखने थे वो बेस्ट प्लेस पे उनका रखा था
Fantastic, I think from start to the finish, it was very good, especially the second half when Odyssey has come back home. It was amazing, I would.
How did you guys enjoy the movie?
Oh my god, I'm such a big fan of Chris Nolan since like day one, but it is such a good movie. The plot line, of course, just like so good. But yeah, the cinematography always the biggest fan. But yeah, I love the movie a lot.
Absolutely crazy, especially how it just all ties at the end. Especially crazy with him actually coming home. Perfect, absolutely perfect.
Yeah, I have been a huge fan of Nolan since the very beginning, and he just never disappoints. To be honest, I think Odyssey is one of his best films that he has ever made. Had all the hopes in him, but just proving the people who were trying to take him down just from the trailer. I think proving them wrong was a very good thing that Nolan did with this one, and I'm super happy to have seen this on the first day, first show.
Obviously, the title character Odysseus is fantastic. Obviously, at the same time, Tom Holland was also very good, and all the characters are really good. But obviously, it's the Odysseus, I would say.
Which character did you enjoy the most?
I think Penelope is a really good character, especially me being like a girl. I think I really connect to her on a different level because she's such a strong female character, and I don't think that was talked about enough during a movie. Like her perception of everything, she's just phenomenal.
Gotta be Odysseus or his son Tom Holland. It's just looking at him, struggle with the throne being empty and all these suitors. He has to figure out being young and all of these people who are his rivals. Just seeing him navigate that was so amazing.
सारे कैरेक्टर्स ने मतलब अपने आप को जस्टिस दिया है कैरेक्टर को जस्टिस दिया है सारे एक्टर्स ने मतलब
Odysseus, of course. Matt Damon is one of the finest actors Hollywood has.
Whose performance did you like the most?
Of course, Odysseus.
Okay.
I think Athena, like Zendaya on screen, she was just so natural, and her character having those small cameos and just her connecting the entire storyline as a Greek goddess was just so good. Like I feel like she had such a big impact on the film without having so much screen time. So yeah, it's always like a thrill to watch her on screen.
Has to be Matt Damon. I mean, I forgot I was watching Matt Damon, and I've seen so many Matt Damon movies, but I still like, okay, this isn't Matt Damon. This is like literally Odysseus.
What about the music, sound?
Everything was perfect. Everything, the sound effects.
एक आउटस्टैंडिंग में म्यूजिक की वजह से फील आ रहा था कि मतलब हवा भी फील कर रहे हैं आग भी फील कर रहे हैं वॉर भी फील कर रहे हैं जो लोग चिल्ला रहे थे वो मतलब वॉर एक्चुअल में कैसा होता है वो भी दिखाया है मतलब
Fantastic. I think this was the first movie that was shot entirely on IMAX, and you could feel the difference from the regular movie that one sees. So,
Worth the price.
yeah, absolutely.
Music always on top. Also, the slight Travis Scott entry in the Travis Scott, you've got to give it to him. But the movie, and the movie with the music always, like, I love the music placement, and wherever it's been used to just enhance the scene so much, it's so impressive, it's crazy.
I think for this, they had Ludwig Göransson not have production, any modern equipment. It was all actual ancient musical instruments. It's so visible and it just fits perfect with the music.
Soundtrack was awesome as usual. I think the regular sound person was not involved in this film. Yeah, Hans Zimmer was not involved. But even though the sound was awesome, especially that monster scene where it felt so real. It was very crazy.
जो स्टोरी का जो कैरेक्टर्स है उसको जानने के लिए थोड़ा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, जो ट्रोजन वॉर है वो सब को जानने के लिए. अदरवाइज वंस कैरेक्टर्स सारे पता है आपको तो ये स्टोरी बहुत स्मूथली जा रही है.
I wouldn't say quite difficult to understand because this movie we all know that the story goes back a long time, like 3,000-year-old story. So it was quite easy comparatively, I would say. But at the same time, initially, a lot of characters are introduced. So someone who doesn't have an understanding of the story will get confused. But initially, in the end, it's all about homecoming.
I think if you have like a background story, you know the characters are, I mean, both of us know about the Trojan War, and I feel like it is easy to understand when everything ties up at the end. In the beginning, you kind of get overwhelmed if you are not used to his style of cinematography. But I feel like if you're used to watching his movies, I think we kind of understood.
It wasn't anything like Tenet when you cannot figure stuff out. Yeah, it was pretty simple. It had like basic time cuts, but it was all very flawlessly put together. It was amazing.
If you compare all the like great stories, they have a bit of resemblance, I would say. So definitely towards the end, that is the scene that is there where it's like Sita Swayamvar that we see. So that was definitely there, and it was one of the highlights of the movie, I would say.
Also, I've heard that one particular scene from the movie is people are comparing it to Ramayan. So, did you guys see that?
Oh my god, I kept screaming to him. I was like, the Ramayana reference in this economy is just crazy. And I think the entire storyline itself kind of really connects to mythology in a way. And because I'm really well versed and I enjoy mythology a lot, I kept pointing it out to him. I'm like, okay, I was freaking out about it. And the scene is phenomenal. It is so much fun to watch. Like, it is just truly amazing.
There were so many scenes. Like this is, I think, the first time that I literally saw an entire movie cinema like hollering, hooting, clapping at every third scene that was happening at the end. It was amazing.
I have heard that one particular scene from the movie, people are comparing it to Ramayan. So, did you see any references over there?
I don't think so. I mean, it is Odyssey and Ramayana is Ramayana. So I don't want to mix them up. But it was a really nice feeling.
One of the best, like I told you, one of the best.
How many stars?
That's difficult. 5 stars, of course. I thought amongst my 5 movies, brilliant movie, don't miss it.
5 ही देना पड़ेगा.
4.5, I would say. And there is always a room for improvement, but 4.5, definitely, I loved it.
Oh my god, out of 5. Yeah. I think I've always rated Christopher Nolan movies a 5 on 5. And again, this is also going to be a 5 on 5.
I was just telling her like probably 4.5 out of 5. Also, probably, in my opinion, at par with the first Godfather. That was how crazy it was. It was amazing.
5 on 5.
Thank you.
Let's go, Nolan.
Well, the reaction to the movie was not mixed at all. It was one-sided and audience loved it. But what do you think about the movie? Comment below, and for more such content, make sure you subscribe to FPG Showbiz.